Alright guys, welcome back. This is day 2. Um, we're going to try this lab, understanding about cable, which cable I should use. Um, I finished watching the video. I think it's pretty clear, but I just need to remember distance. Um, the pins, I think the pin is really difficult to remember. I need to do the Anki flashcard to remember. But that's another day. Let's try this out. All right. PC to switch, we could use a straight through cable. Okay. Internet one. Same thing with this one. Okay, and then switch to switch. I think switch to switch we're using. I think we're using cross over. Let's try that. Okay. What else? Yeah, you want to use switch to switch here because it's just the way the pin works. Like switch to switch, router to router. You could do PC to PC, router to PC. Yeah, I think this is correct. Alright, we're gonna do switch to router, which switch to router we could use straight through. Right, we could use straight through. Could pick any of these. Oops, what? That's weird. Alright. And then 50-meter distant RJ R1, router 1, router 2. Okay, I think you could use, let's see, I think you could use straight through because it's less than 100 meter. We could do that. Okay. And then router 1 to router 3. This is 3 kilometers, so anything with 3 kilometers, you always want to use the single mode fiber. Okay, because it's better. And now this represent the fiber optic connector. So we click on that. Same thing. And then another 250-meter distant. Hold on, I feel like I'm confused here. I think this is 3 kilometer. I think we could use a multi-mode on this too. Let's do that. I think that makes sense. Okay. Boom. And then because it's wait a minute, hold on. I thought it was 250 kilometer. Okay, my bad. I'm just tired. Okay, hold on. This is correct. Single meter. And then we want to use multi. What do you call that? Multi-mode. There you go. Okay, then this one. Switch to router. Same things. We're gonna use the straight through. Okay, same thing for this one. Again, switch to switch, we want to use crossover. Could do this too. Connect this one to this one, and then this one to this one, so that all four could communicate. I probably want to do that over here as well. Cross. Okay. And then I don't want to go here to here. Don't make sense because it's already a connectivity here. Okay. So and then same thing with this one. Pretty easy. Right. Boom. I think this is how it goes. Alright guys. Pretty straightforward. Don't forget the studies. I hope you guys doing well. Peace.